So this is From the Rising by Mercychinwo. From the Rising by Mercychinwo. She just released a new song. So yes, this is a breakdown of it. I'm going to do a breakdown of what I was playing. So the first is these are the first for it. Do, so, do. First is do, so, do. From the rising. The key is B. So she sang in B. The key is B, so I'm playing that, so I transpose to 6. So yes, the key is B. From the rising of the sun, do, so, do. From the rising of the sun, and da da da, and the da 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 da. san do, da 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 da, fa mi re do. So fa mi re do, fa da 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 mi re do, da 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 re so do, da 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 fa mi re do, da 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 re so da 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 fa mi re do, da 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 re so. That's a simple way of playing From the Rising by mercychinwo. So I was adding some things inside, so we just have to so we just do so do. So when you play From the Rising of the sun, you can do this one. From the rising of the sun, from the rising of the sun, da 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 da. If it's going to fire, the song is going to fire. You bring something like da 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 da. This is just a simple way of playing it, so you just know how, just something simple. Yes, so that's all about From the Rising by mercychinwo. So yeah, so there was also one thing, From the Rising of the sun, you can play something like From the Rising of the sun. So re do this riff, line re can be used as re. So re do, so and do, so re,